Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can display dual clock on your home screen in a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to tap and hold on any empty area of our home screen, and then the screen will look like this, and you can go to the widgets. Okay, and we have to select the clock widget. Just scroll down until you find the clock widget, and you can scroll down a little bit until you find the dual clock option. This one, just tap on that and click on add. Okay, and then you can customize the location for the dual clock, and here I'm choosing Jakarta and London, but if you want to change it, you just need to click on the dual clock and you can select the location. For instance, I'm just going to select the Berlin. Okay, then click on change. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to display dual clock on Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.